Hope you're all doing well. So, today's topic is one that might seem subtle at first, but trust me, it's a big deal. We've been hearing a lot of buzz about the next generation of wireless charging, and it turns out Google is about to pull a fast one on Samsung with a feature that could completely change the game. Let me introduce you to something you might have heard of already: CHI2 wireless charging. Yeah, I know. We've had wireless charging for years now, right? But here's the catch. Check 2. It's different. So let's break this down. CHI2 isn't just another upgrade in the tech world. This is the next level. It brings something that's been around for a while, magnetic alignment, into the mainstream. If you've heard of MagSafe, Apple basically popularized this, right? Well, guess what? Google is coming for that throne, and they're doing it with their upcoming Pixel 10 series. And here's the kicker. Google is beating Apple at their own magnetic game. Yep, you heard me. You see, the Pixel 10 will be one of the first Android phones to come with true CHI2 wireless charging support. Meaning, get this, it'll have built-in magnets, just like the iPhone's MagSafe. But, unlike Apple, Google's doing it right out of the box. No extra cases, no accessories, no gimmicks. Just snap, charge, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about Samsung. They've also adopted Qi 2 with their Galaxy S25 lineup, and the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. But here's the catch. Samsung's implementation is, well, let's just say, incomplete. While the phones do support Qi 2, they don't have built-in magnets. So, guess what? You need to buy a separate case, specifically made for CHI2, in order to get that perfect magnetic alignment. If you don't buy that case, the wireless charging doesn't work properly. Imagine spending all that money, only to find out your phone's future-proof charging solution is, well, not quite future-proof unless you spend even more on a special accessory. Let that sink in for a second. Google? They're giving you the full experience from day one. Samsung? Well, they're offering you a halfway solution that requires you to pay for a case just to get it to work right. And let's be real. How many people are even going to know that they need to buy a special case for the S25? Most people just want to plug in their phones and charge. Samsung's solution? Not as seamless as Google's. And it's not just a rumor anymore either. We've got visual confirmation. Leaker Even Blast posted a legit promo image showing the Pixel Snap Charger attached to the Pixel 10, and get this, it's magnetically attached. No case, no extra gear, just a clean magnetic connection. Now that's user-friendly. This isn't just a design choice. This is strategic. It's about positioning. Google is gearing up to lead the next generation of mobile charging. We've moved past fast charging and into smart charging that's faster, safer, and easier. The experience is night and day, and Google's pushing ahead, while Samsung's falling a bit behind on this one. And here's the real kicker. With Google's Pixel 10, you can just pick up your phone, snap it onto the charger, and boom, you're charging. No fuss, no misalignment. Meanwhile, with Samsung, you're still fiddling with cases and extra accessories just to make sure it all works. So, what's the takeaway here? Samsung's been offering amazing tech, no doubt about it. But when it comes to wireless charging, Google's coming in with a much smoother, easier experience. And with the Pixel 10 launch around the corner, we could see Samsung finally realizing that, and maybe, just maybe, bringing built-in magnets to the Galaxy S26. If they don't, well, they might have some explaining to do when the Pixel 10 drops. Now, here's what I want to know from you. Do you use wireless charging on the daily? Would built-in magnets make you switch brands? And what do you think about the potential for companies to ditch ports entirely? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Share it with your tech friends, and of course, subscribe.